Robotics, Transformative Impacts on Employment and Society. From the very dawn of civilization, the idea of machines that could mimic human actions has captivated our imaginations. Ancient Greek myths spoke of automata, crafted by Hephaestus, the god of blacksmiths, who created mechanical beings to serve the gods. Fast forward to the Renaissance, where Leonardo da Vinci sketched designs for a mechanical lion, a marvel of engineering that hinted at the potential of robotics long before the technology existed. These early dreams of automation have evolved dramatically, leading us to a world where robots are no longer figments of our imagination, but integral parts of our daily lives. The Industrial Revolution marked a pivotal shift in this journey. It was during this time that the first industrial robots began to emerge, transforming industries and labor practices. One of the most significant milestones was the introduction of Unimate in 1961, the first industrial robot which began working on the assembly line at General Motors. Unimate was not just a machine, it was a harbinger of change, taking on dangerous, repetitive tasks that humans once performed. This marked the beginning of a new era, one where machines could enhance productivity and redefine the nature of work. As we moved into the late 20th and early 21st centuries, advancements in technology paved the way for a new generation of robots. The integration of artificial intelligence allowed these machines to learn, adapt, and even make decisions. Cognitive robotics emerged, bringing us closer to a future where robots could interact with their environment in ways previously thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. Today, we see robots like Boston Dynamics Atlas, capable of navigating complex terrains and performing tasks that require a level of agility and intelligence that would have seemed impossible just a few decades ago. However, with these advancements come significant implications for our workforce. The rise of robotics has led to profound changes in employment. In factories, robots now work alongside human workers, performing tasks that were once the sole responsibility of people. This shift raises critical questions. Will robots liberate us from mundane tasks, allowing us to focus on more creative endeavors? Or will they lead to widespread job displacement, rendering many workers obsolete? The gig economy, which once provided flexibility and opportunities for freelancers, is also being reshaped by automation. Tasks that were once performed by humans are increasingly being taken over by machines, challenging our traditional understanding of labor and its value. The reality is that as robots take on more responsibilities, we must confront the uncomfortable truth that many people may find themselves out of work. This brings us to the ethical dilemmas that accompany the rise of robotics. With great power comes great responsibility, and the implications of robotic autonomy are vast. Who is accountable when a robot makes a mistake? Can machines that simulate emotions manipulate us? As robots become more integrated into our lives, where do we draw the line between human and machine? These questions are not merely theoretical. They represent the complex reality of a world increasingly shaped by robotics. As we look to the future, we must ask ourselves what kind of society we want to build. Do we envision a world where robots perform all labor, freeing us for intellectual and creative pursuits? Or do we risk creating a society where the benefits of automation are concentrated in the hands of a few, exacerbating existing inequalities? The future of robotics is not just about technology. It's about humanity and the choices we make today that will define the role of robots in our lives tomorrow. The robots are here, and they are changing our world in ways we are only beginning to understand. As we explore the history and future of robotics, we must navigate the ethical and societal challenges that accompany this technological revolution. It is a journey filled with potential and peril, and it is up to us to shape the narrative. So, how will robotics reshape our jobs and our lives? What are the ethical boundaries of robotic autonomy? Can robots truly replicate human creativity and empathy? These are the questions we must grapple with as we stand on the brink of a new era. The robots are not just tools. They are partners in our quest for progress, and together we must discover how to navigate this brave new world.